Hello and welcome to the introductory lesson of the PMI-ACP certification course offered by Simplilearn. The term PMI-ACP stands for Project Management Institute's Agile Certified Practitioners. It is one of the most popular certifications available to Agile practitioners. This is the introductory lesson for the course, and it is a must-read to prepare you for the remaining lessons. After completing this course, you will be able to describe Agile principles and mindset, explain how value-driven delivery is accomplished in Agile projects, describe the best practices involved in stakeholder engagement, discuss the approaches to improve team performance, describe the concepts under adaptive planning, discuss various problem detection and resolution techniques, explain the principles of continuous improvement. PMI-ACP is a globally recognized certification from the market-leading project management certification institution, PMI. The PMI-ACP certification demonstrates your knowledge of Agile and commitment to a rapidly emerging Agile methodology. Additionally, it proves your active participation in recognized project management practices. The certification also demonstrates professionalism and proficiency in Agile principles and practices. Further, it increases your professional versatility in Agile project management tools, techniques, and best practices. Organizations that use Agile principles and practices observe the following benefits. PMI-ACP certified project managers provide more adaptability to organizations, allowing them the flexibility to add, change, or remove requirements. The principles and practices of Agile provides organizations the ability to support incremental delivery, hence reducing product and process waste. Agile techniques provide high visibility and control over the project progress, hence providing more opportunity to respond to early indications of problems. Further, Agile principles and practices provide early and continuous customer feedback, which improves communication and empowers business owners to review critical information. This information is necessary to make decisions to steer the project throughout the development process. The Agile principles also provide an early and measurable return on investment. The eligibility criteria for the PMI-ACP certification can be summarized as follows. With regard to educational background, you must have a secondary degree, a high school diploma or associate degree, or a global equivalent degree. With regard to general project experience, at least 2,000 hours or 12 months working on project teams in the last 5 years is required. Note that these 12 months may or may not have been spent on the projects following Agile methodologies. If you are an active PMP and PGMP, then these requirements are met. Further, for Agile project experience, you must have at least 1,500 hours, or 8 months, working on Agile methodologies in the last 3 years. This could be any of the known Agile methodologies, including Scrum, Extreme Programming, Dynamic Systems Development Method, Feature-Driven Development, and Crystal. For training in Agile practices, you must have undergone at least 21 contact hours of learning on Agile practices. The fee for the computer-based test, or CBT, is $435 for PMI members and $495 for non-PMI members. Similarly, the fee for paper-based training, or PBT, is $385 for PMI members and $445 for non-PMI members. Simplilearn encourages participants to become PMI members and then apply for certification. If you are unsuccessful in clearing the PMI-ACP exam, the re-examination fee for CBT is $335 for members and $395 for non-PMI members. Similarly, for PBT, the re-examination fee is $285 for PMI members and $345 for non-PMI members. The PMI-ACP examination is conducted for 3 hours and consists of 120 multiple-choice questions. Of the 120 questions, 100 questions are used to determine your final score, and the rest are experimental or pre-test questions. It is not possible to identify the experimental questions out of these 120 questions. There's no penalty for wrong answers. You are encouraged to answer every question, even if you are not entirely sure of the answer. The domains and tasks for the PMI-ACP course are listed in the given table. Please read through the tasks under each domain. The PMI-ACP certification course offered by Simplilearn covers these concepts in detail. Note that there are 7 domains. Please take a look at the breakup of the domains covered in the PMI-ACP course listed on the table. There are 7 domains, and each domain is divided into 2 parts. In addition to the domains, the course includes a case study for a better understanding of the concepts covered. The allocation of questions in the PMI-ACP examination is as follows. 16% of the questions are from Domain 1, Agile Principles and Mindset. 20% of the questions are from Domain 2, Value-Driven Delivery. 17% of the questions are from Domain 3, Stakeholder Engagement. 16% of the questions are from Domain 4, Team Performance. 12% of the questions are from Domain 5, Adaptive Planning. 10% of the questions are from Domain 6, Problem Detection and Resolution. 9% of the questions are from Domain 7, Continuous Improvement, Product, Process, People. Each lesson is accompanied by a set of quiz questions designed to test your knowledge. Simplilearn also provides a number of practice test papers developed by Agile subject matter experts to prepare you for the exam. These test papers will only indicate how the questions could be presented in the exam. They are not intended to be used as a knowledge source. However, they will guide you to the topics you might want to revisit. The practice test paper questions should not be considered as a measurement of the candidate's ability to answer questions correctly in the exam. The actual exam questions will be the final determinant of your success in the PMI-ACP exam.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.